then this is our pool. The dimension is given as 75 feet in length, 60 feet in width, 5 feet in depth, and our task is to find the volume of the pool. Or the question says find the volume of water that the pool would hold in cubic feet. In cubic feet. So then what that says is for us to find the volume of the pool. So this gives us 75 multiplied by 60 feet multiplied by 75 feet, and this gives us 22,500 cubic feet. Feet times feet times feet gives us cubic feet. Everybody agree with that? Now let's go ahead and find part B. Part B says find the amount of water in gallons. Okay, find amount of H2O in gallons. Now, we know that the volume of the pool there is 22,500 cubic feet. So, what are we going to start out with? Anybody? Remember what we said before? We started with what we were given here, right? 22,500 cubic feet. We put it over 1, and now we'll multiply by our conversion factor. So, what conversion factor do we have? Yeah, 1 cubic foot is equal to how many gallons?
60.
1 cubic foot is equal to 7.48 gallons. This we know this. This was given to you in one of the handouts, and we'll use that fraction to get rid of our cubic feet here. We have to convert the 22,500 cubic feet into gallons of water. So then we will multiply by 7.48 gallon of H2O is equivalent to 1 cubic foot. So we are actually converting from our metric measure. So then we find that cubic feet cancel off cubic feet, and then we multiply our 22,500 by 7.48. And that gives us a live value here. And that gives us 168,300 gallons of water. Everybody get that? Anybody get different?
I got 168, 311.
311.
Yeah, I got
Yeah, that's what I got.
Now, you use, let's try back again. 22,500 multiplied by 7.48.
Oh,
And it's 168,300.
That's what I got.
okay.
168,300.
Okay.
I used
So-
a conversion device on the computer and it says 168, 311.
Yeah, this is it. 168,300 here. We use here 22,500, and then we multiply it by 7.48, and you get 168,300. So everybody agree with this? That the value is 168,300. All right? That is what we have here, gallons of water. Now, what we'll do is that it says in item C, and this one is a little bit more tricky. Item C says, assume that 1 teaspoonful of solution containing approximately 6% chlorine is required to treat 5 gallons of water for purification and removal of pollutants. How many teaspoonfuls of this solution is required for the purification of the water in the pool? So you see there's a lot of calculation here a lot of real life application, people do need to treat their water to make it pure. So the problem stated that 1 teaspoonful of solution containing 6% of chlorine is required to treat 5 gallons of water. So you have to find how many teaspoonful of this solution is required for purification of this much of water. Item C. So let's go ahead and do item C. Then, anybody have an idea what we should start with? Any idea? Shouldn't we start with this?
Yeah.
Right?
As soon as they divide it by 5.
Yeah,
Five
well,
gallons.
very good. So that's what we're getting at. But we have to start with something, so we'll start with what we have. Right? We start with our gallons of water. Everybody agree with that? That we need to start with the gallons of water? Right? Okay, let's go ahead and start with 168,300 gallons of water. You can place it over 1, and then it says here that 1 teaspoonful is used to treat 5 gallons of water. So we need to introduce 5 gallons of water into the equation, and we need to cancel off. We need to cancel off gallons and introduce teaspoonful. Is that how we interpret it? We need to introduce teaspoonful and cancel off gallon. So where would gallons go? In here. When we multiply, we'll multiply by what? 1 teaspoonful over what? 5 gallons of H2O. So you see now, gallons of H2O cancel off gallons of H2O. Because we want, the question asks, find how many teaspoonful. So then, we'll divide 168,300 by 5, and if you do that quickly, you go ahead and divide by 5, you'll get 33,660. 33,660 teaspoons. Now this much of solution is required, right? That much of solution, 3,660 teaspoonful of this solution is needed to treat that much water. Everybody at the back there, miss? Everybody agree with that or disagreeing with it? Okay. All right.